Hello folks, this is 1 year update on the Rubbermaid 5x6 storage shed. After 1 year living out in the sun in the Pacific Northwest, you can see the alignment is off. The rooftop is buckling upward and creating a gap. And there's so much gap, I can even slice my finger through. And the gap is so big. The door is sliding off from the slot and is falling down on the ground. And as a result, what I have to do is I have to drill a hole at this point and attach additional height by using a screw and a washer at this point. Then I can refit it into this slot. Lift this up and slide it back into the slot. Now it can close and open freely. I have trees on the left and mostly sunny on the right side. On the right side is heating up more than the left, and the left is not have any buckling issue. Everything is still a tight fit. You can see everything's normal, but on the right side, because there's so much gap that I need to add a DIY fixture of screw, then it can lock in the door into the original slot. Thanks for watching.